Edge Plus Encapsulating Carpet Extraction Cleaner combines superb cleaning and outstanding fiber protection to create an unparalleled carpet cleaning solution. This is possible through the exclusive EPT encapsulation technology, which surrounds and encapsulates soils and then dries them to a non-sticky powder to be easily vacuumed out. Carpets are left clean and will remain so longer thanks to the exclusive anti-resoiling technology to resist further dirt and soils from becoming entrapped. The neutral pH base and lack of anti-static agents, defoamers, or optical brighteners make Edge Plus safe for all water-washable carpets.